Okay, I'm not zoomed in all the way, but I'm recording a video of the moon, and it looks like the moon is moving, but the moon is not moving, and my camera tripod is not moving. It's the rotation of the Earth. And so as you watch this is the way the moon appears to move across the sky, but it's actually the Earth rotating slowly toward the east, and the moon appears to be moving slowly toward the west. Now, I have never made a recording with this camera. I made one earlier and I played it back, and it's either the recording is terrible or the speaker on the camera is terrible. But when I put it on the computer, I'll be able to tell what the problem is, if it's just a lousy speaker on the little camera here or whatever. Now, as you're looking at the moon, there's a little white dot on the moon to the left about 8 o'clock. And I can't tell what that is. I zoomed in on it earlier with just a photograph, but it's too difficult, too hard to get it to focus because of the motion of the Earth and me zoomed in even closer. So if I zoomed in closer, in other words, it would be hard to focus because the moon is, the Earth is rotating. As you can see right now, it's interesting to see how fast the Earth rotates. But it's beautiful, isn't it? Well, y'all have a good evening, and I'm going to go in and take a look at my video, and I'll share that with you on the computer. All right, see ya on Facebook. All right, good night. Bye-bye.